Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Anita here, and today we're going to chat on how to let go and trust. How to let go and trust that the universe, that God has your back. And this is hard for many people because we're programmed to be distrustful of many situations in our lives growing up, being abused, maybe our parents weren't ideal. Maybe people around us were shady. So we've gotten to where we just hold on to this distrust that things aren't going to work out. Well, here's some tips to help you just let go. If you're familiar with EFT tapping, you could look it up on YouTube. You can use that to get rid of the distrust. But in general, for us, we just need to realize when we're manifesting something and in the process, you're doing everything you know to do, and you still have that distrust that it's not going to work for you. Remember, it's always working for us. Everybody on the planet is manifesting something, good or bad. In the law of attraction, we take it head on and we do it on purpose to line it up with the life that we really want to live. We also, with our affirmations and I am abundant, I am receiving $2 million, we want to put at the end of it, this or something better. Always have the attitude, this or something better. Because we don't know what the universe knows, what God knows. He may have something way bigger than we're even thinking at the moment. You can trust the process. Many, many people have come through the process and accumulated their success, even Oprah and many others. You can Google it. And you can, right here on YouTube, you can find many testimonies. Excuse me. But get your trust back. Work on trusting God, trusting the universe that what is said will come to pass, this or something better. What you are saying, I am a success. I am doing good. I am worthy. I deserve this. I am expensive. I am healed. Remember that you're creating your own existence and you need to trust that you're putting it out in the universe and it will happen. God loves you. The universe loves you. All that is divine loves you. And if we think about how we think about our children, we want the best for them too. And I look at it like that. It's infinite. It's everybody can have something. We're not taking away from anybody else by creating a life that we want. There is enough for everybody. Look at the stars. As far as we can see, and then beyond far as we can see is many more. There's enough for everybody. And I just welcome you to make sure that you have the attitude, this or something better. Learn to trust, work on your trust, and just try a measure of trust even. Just open yourself up to new possibilities, new ways of thinking, new ways of doing things. This is a big universe. None of us has it figured out 100% of the time. So I just welcome you to think on that. Check yourself. You are the only one that knows if you trust God, if you trust the universe to bring things to you as you're trying to manifest something. We all, in the beginning, have issues with that. I don't know anybody that I've worked with that has perfect trust. Their trusting is perfect. So, with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day today and just go have some fun. But keep that in mind, your trust issues, your energy is got to be on the frequency of what you want. Keep happy, be joyful, and enjoy your day. I love you all, and God bless you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.